this is a wonderful, event, wonderfully organized session, and we are thankful to Jitendra sir. He has brought all of us a wonderful colleges from pan India just for you guys. सबसे बड़ा स्पेशलाइजेशन एक मैं बताता हूँ, वो है बिजनेस करना सीखो, right? These all are branches: marketing, finance, HR, IT. You should have the eye like Arjuna, right? The target should be the eye of the fish, and that is business.
Or without experience, like fresher or not.
So ये confusion while we discuss the students always has that जो markets वाले होंगे उनको placement ज़्यादा मिलेगा या उनको ज़्यादा advantage मिलेगा. I am a fresher, should I get that? Ma'am, you start off.
So workings, it's good, right? But some of the companies, like when they're recruiting, they want freshers. They don't want people with workings. So it's a balance, like it's a mix. If they're freshers also, so there is no it doesn't affect much. Freshers are also welcome as well as experienced person are also welcome. Just add on.
I worked for almost 5 years and then I did my post graduation. So जब मैं आप लोग स्पेशलाइजेशंस की बात करते हैं ना, तभी मैं एक चीज सोच रहा था कि जब मैंने PGDM किया तो उस टाइम मैंने ये नहीं सोचा मेरे को क्या स्पेशलाइजेशन में करना है. MBA is masters of all, right? You learn everything as everybody said to you. Then you choose your specialization. Same way when you have an experience, you know that what you want to do. तो उसका प्लस पॉइंट भी है.
Technology driven work environment and hence the education which MBA would provide also will be more technology focused. For example, today we are thinking of how to include chat GPT into our syllabus. Instead of trying to look at chat GPT as a competition or as a possible disaster for education, we are thinking of how to include it into the syllabus. So be ready for a technology driven work environment.
Spending 2 years time and asking for higher placement is not going to work for you. Right? You will have to be very focused. You will have to dedicate time. First question you must ask that why you want to pursue management course, why you want to do MBA. I'm very much sure that you all want to be successful. Is there any doubt? So everyone wants to be successful, right? Means you must read about technology, how technologies are disrupting, which new technology came into picture, which technology is abolished from the market, and what else is coming to. Okay, that is again going to help you and that will make your future.
So we have a second question on analytics, business analytics, right?
Very valid question because we have been listening about business intelligence and business analytics since morning. And yes, the students who don't have the background of engineering or mathematics, they can go for very easily. They can go for business intelligence and business analytics.
Business analytics. More further, if you go into depth of that, you will find functional analytics also. You can do your specialization as into marketing analytics, HR analytics, financial analytics, and many more other areas.
Big round of clapping for